close your eyes and relax your eardrums. Can you sense the slow, hissing release of high-pressure steam escaping through the brass valve assembly? Can you hear the steady, clanking rhythm of solid cast steel gears grinding softly within the stillness? Welcome to the Engine History Test Bench. In this session, we completely discard the piercing high-rev screams of internal combustion engines. Instead, we climb onto the platforms of the most brutal heavy steam traction machines. Take a deep breath and taste the scent of burning coal mixed with heated lubricating grease. This is a therapy of primitive metallurgical sound waves, soothing the nervous system. Within this calm footage, we examine the raw specifications of the first truly brutal industrial era. No harsh roaring, only the deep, steady sound waves of thermal expansion. Standing before you are the 1899 Locomobile Runabout and the Gardner Serpollet racing steam engine. Stripped down with polished surfaces, their brass components are fully exposed. The boiler devours kerosene and coal, continuously boiling water to generate immense pressure that drives pistons in smooth, linear motion, producing relentless torque. Every cast iron wall and riveted joint radiates permanent fatigue strength, emitting frequencies that dissolve tension. If you enjoy watching steel in motion and want to fall asleep to the rhythm of steam release, subscribe to the Engine History now. The smooth resilience of steam engines is clearly demonstrated in the Stanley Steamer and the 1867 Henry Seth Taylor steam buggy. The core principle behind their silent pulling force lies in a minimalistic mechanical design. Maximum steam pressure is applied directly to the rear axle, eliminating the need for complex clutches or gearboxes found in gasoline vehicles. You can clearly observe the smooth, reciprocating motion of the connecting rods and valve system. Compressed steam drives the piston back and forth, converting seamlessly into the rotational inertia of the flywheel. To eliminate friction, drip oilers continuously feed thick grease into the bearings. Heat radiation vaporizes the oil, releasing an addictive, burnt scent. The gentle metallic ticking follows perfect tolerances, blending with the soft hissing sound into a deeply calming mechanical rhythm. steam mechanics are not limited to small machines. The test bench now confronts true heavyweights, the 1867 Aveling and Porter steamroller and the Fowler traction engine. Weighing tens of tons, they crawl across the ground at only 6 miles per hour, yet deliver shaft-twisting torque. Their massive exposed boilers consume hundreds of kilograms of coal to maintain constant pressure. Restoring them demands extreme physical effort, sanding away rust, flushing high-pressure steam lines, machining and recasting missing components. Every tolerance adjustment must be tightened with absolute precision. When the fire ignites the coal, water begins to boil violently, and the flywheel starts its first slow rotation. That moment seals the endurance of steel and gives birth to priceless, soothing sound waves. The most hypnotic and addictive sound in this footage comes from the calm pulling force of the Case steam tractor and the Clayton and Shuttleworth machine moving across muddy ground. From a distance, they advance like massive locomotives. As they gain momentum, the exhaust stacks continuously release thick gray smoke, blending. There is absolutely no aggressive acceleration or high-speed revving. The exhaust pulses are slow, sharp, and perfectly interwoven, producing layered, low-frequency sound waves. These frequencies strike directly into the nervous system, pushing the brain into deep relaxation and eliminating fatigue. The extremely slow rotation, steady torque, and massive steel wheels rolling smoothly across the ground create a scene of pure mechanical calm, locking in the endurance of metallurgy. As massive machines like the Sentinel wagon or the 8-wheeled Tamark DG8 fade into the distance, their exhaust whistles dissolve into the air. Yet their thermal presence still lingers in the workshop. Carrying tons of coal and operating under intense multi-cylinder pressure, they deliver a deep, steady pulling force. The slow, solid motion of cast iron completes its purpose, soothing the ears, clearing away the chaotic noise of modern electronics. The steam era may have passed, but its endurance continues spinning through time, producing a peaceful, mechanical soundscape for those who listen closely. Thank you for experiencing this mechanical sound therapy with the engine history. Sleep deeply to the rhythm of steel inertia.